PVCC radiography program is set up for 21 months. In those 5 semesters, we prepare you to sit for the National Registry exam and earn your licensure as a radiologic technologist.
The best part about the radiography program is you're actually learning on how to do certain procedures, and you get to practice on it during lab. And then once you're finished with lab, you get to go practice that in the actual field itself. You're practicing with patients, you're doing it with techs, and then they help you learn how you can do better.
The skills that a radiographer would have to possess would be very strong patient care skills, and we build those skills from the very beginning. We have high expectations for professionalism. We expect students to work together, and they're kind of on a 2-year job interview.
The best part is about really interacting with people, and since Charlottesville is such a small community, you actually get to see those patients out somewhere else, and they're like, hey, how's it going? You did my x-ray. I'm like, oh, hey, how's it going? And then it's just, you're more involved in the community as a whole once you come out of the program.